5 Best Cordless Screwdriver. Here is the product number 5. Lomvum Electric Screwdriver. Brand name, Lomvum. Type, multifunctional screwdriver. Power source, battery. Usage, home DIY. Max torque, 50 Nm/m. Speed, 2-speed adjustment. Drill type, cordless drill. Feature 1, battery indicator 70p model only. Battery type, lithium battery. Here is the product number 4. Cordless drill electric impact electrical screwdriver. Feature, waterproof, drop-proof, leak-proof. ECP, battery protection device to prevent battery overload, overheating and deep discharge. LED working light can work at night or underground. Can use as variable speed impact electric drill, impact electric screwdriver, impact electric hammer drill, hand drill the fast, slow adjustment. Here is the product number 3. WORKPRO 3.6 volts cordless screwdriver. Specification, load speed, 200 revolutions per minute, forward/reverse. Built-in LED work light. Spindle lock, allows the tool continue its work when battery is empty. Auto-loading automatic screwdriver. Forward, reverse working. 1300 mAh lithium-ion battery, 3-5 hours charging spindle. Here is the product number 2. Mini drill cordless screwdriver. HILDA electric screwdriver electric drill lithium battery mini drill cordless screwdriver power tools cordless drill 12 volts/16.8 volts. Power source, DC. Usage, home DIY. Max torque, 32 Nm. Screw tightening, 8 mm machine with screws/diameter 7.1 mm length. Here is the product number 1. Electric screwdriver electric drill lithium cordless. Brand name, HILDA. Type, cordless screwdriver. Power source, battery. Origin, CN origin. Usage, home DIY. Weight, 2 kg. Rated voltage, 20 volts. Frequency, 50 Hz. Function, electric screwdriver. Speed, 2-speed. Maximum drilling diameter, 10 mm.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.